Hey friends, if you wish to fix USB 3.0 so slow transfer speed in Windows, then please watch this video now. Before we move further, I want you to know that there is a concept called bottleneck. Now, what is this concept? It means that as far as Wi-Fi speed is concerned or any speed is concerned, the speed at the slowest point will be the total net speed. So if you are using an older USB cable, then it doesn't matter that you use a USB 3.0 slot, the file transfer speed will be slow. So you will have to change the hardware. Okay. And once you're sure about the hardware, then you can proceed to the next solution, which is to search for device manager and open the device manager. Scroll down, expand Universal Serial Bus Controller, right click on USB root hub, select properties, go to power management and uncheck this box. If it's checked, you need to uncheck it. Both of these should be unchecked. Click on OK, then right click on it and update drivers. Do it for all the root hub drivers because each root hub driver is for a specific USB slot. This will solve the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.